Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Finding your Activision ID. Please visit www.callofduty.com. Click Login if you already have an account, or sign up if you have not created one yet. Once you are in your account, hover over your username in the top right corner of the screen and select Basic Info. Scroll down and you will see Activision ID.
Take our lead.
Registering for an account. Activision accounts offer exclusive rewards and give you access to the latest intel to enhance your gameplay. If you do not have an Activision account, you can create a free one.
Let's help you make your mark.
Go to the Activision account password recovery page. Enter the email address that was used to create your account and select Submit. If you have a valid account, password recovery instructions have been sent to the registered email address.
Let's help you make your mark.
The account registration error is usually caused because of a problem with the email address you are trying to use. Most commonly, the email address is already linked with an existing Activision account. On very rare occasions, it may be the case that you can't create an account because of a glitch within Warzone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.